Hi, what's going on, guys? This is DJ coming at you with another video. In today's video, I want to show you how to remove the time bar off the top of your Mac product, whether it be the Mac Mini, the Mac Pro, iMac, whichever product it is. We're going to help you remove it, so let's get into it. First thing you need to do is you need to go to System Settings at the top left-hand side. And you want to go down to the Control Center. You want to just go to the Control Center and then click on it. And after you hit Control Center, scroll down right-hand side and go to your clock options. After you hit the clock options, you want to go to the area that's showing the show date of the week. That'll clear that out. And then you want to clear out the other stuff. This is talking about the flash time separator if you don't want that, and then the display time with seconds, you want that off. And then to turn off the setting completely where you can't see anything, turn it from digital to analog on the style, and that'll clear it up for you. This is one thing I've noticed with a lot of creators that don't want to see that time up there because it can get kind of annoying, but it's the best thing to do if you want to have a clean display, if you will, so you can't see the time up there. Okay guys, if you think this content's helpful, please like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace.